Insta360, one of the first companies that made 360-degree video recording accessible to the masses, launched Insta360 ONE. It offered more shapes, many of them novel and fun, to create 360-degree content without having to carry bulky equipment. But while for the most part it fulfilled those creative characteristics, the actual quality of the output still left some things to be desired. This year, the company comes out with the Insta360 ONE X and is like a completely different product. Like the previous Insta360 ONE, the ONE X design does not draw attention to itself. If it were not for the bulging camera lenses on both sides of the device, one might mistake it for a strange power bank. But unlike the ONE X does not have a connector to connect it to an iPhone. All data transfer is done wirelessly or through a micro USB cable. This too benefits. This year's ONE X gets two 18-megapixel sensors, one on each side, with a 200-degree wide-angle f2.0 lens. By numbers, that means that the latest 360-degree camera from Insta360 can capture 5.7K video, limited to 30 fps. There is also 4K support at 50 and 30 fps, as well as 3K shots at 100 fps fast. Of course, it's not just about megapixels. The perfect shot requires other settings to be correct. While we cannot always predict, much less control outdoor lighting, the HDR modes of ONE X, available for still images and video,